The next part of the lab is part C, and this part consists on pressing switch 1 or switch 2 and even both of the switches and have LED 1 to turn on. So we'll take a look at it. So we can see that if we press switch 1 and switch 2 and then both switches at the same time, it works just fine. And a couple of tests that we're going to perform is we have pressed switch 1 and then after a couple of seconds we're going to press switch 2 to see if there are any changes, but we can see that it just remains perfect. Even if we do it the other way, we press switch 2 first and then we press switch 1, there's no difference in it. Then the second test plan is to press both switches at the same time, just to see if the code will crash or something. So we're gonna have it here, we're pressing both and it works just fine, there's no change at all. And now we're gonna press both for a certain amount of time to see if this will alter the code at all, but it won't do anything. The LED will continue to be on as long as switch 1 or switch 2 and even both are pressed. And now we're gonna do one with the reset as well to see if there will be any change in it. So we have both of them pressed and then we're gonna do the switch, and it worked just as what happened with part A. As long as the reset button is pressed, the LED will turn off, but then as soon as it's released, they just come back to normal, since the reset button does not reset the code at all. So yeah, that is part C.